Robert, fix it. Are you okay? I'm sorry I made you install Linux. I thought it was gonna be good, right? Linux the best.
I miss Windows.
Linux is hard.
Look, man, don't make me look like a fool. You agreed to this. You have to get out there. Go back to Linux and show them how good it is. Get up.
Here we are on day 7 of Linux, and this guy is very cute. His name, I guess, is Tux. And so it was supposed to be a 30-day review of Linux, but I think I'm not going to make it because I'm struggling here. I like it. It's fun. But I'm just trying to figure it out. Okay, so let's take a look at, because the other recording crashed last time, so let's just recap what we were doing before. So you have Software Manager, which is the sort of app store. So that works. So you got Discord, Spotify, which I don't have, but it's kind of Mac-like, I would say. So since we did not get to finish the other review, let's go back to where we were. Recent files. So after the other recording crashed, we were able to get sound working, Zoom works, the printer worked fine out of the box, Bluetooth works, external drive works, webcam, Wi-Fi, Steam, Dropbox, which I don't have, but we cannot access OneDrive or Google Drive natively. All of my files are in OneDrive, so I don't blame that on Linux, that's my fault. And I just did updates. I literally just did updates before I started this, and there's more updates. How many updates are there? So Steam works, Chrome works, it's pretty zippy. Since I don't know, how can we look at system? I keep forgetting how to do that. So since the last recording, I did upgrade the processor. So hopefully we won't have issues. Oh shoot, I forgot how to do it. It was under system. Where's the system thingy? System info. There we go. So we now have, well, it's not gonna, why does it not show all the information? It's a 12-core processor, 24 thread now, whereas before it was an 8-core, 16 thread, or no, it was 4 cores, 8 threads before. But I don't know why it has such limited information. Okay, let's go to anyway, I wanted to show you some of the apps that it has. So it has illustration. I saw this today. So Dark Table. This is sort of the, I guess, free Photoshop, Lightroom kind of app. that people use. I don't know how to use it. I don't know what's light table, dark room. But apparently this is a good photo editing app. And I did see an equivalent video editing app as well, but I can't remember the name. So here's my frustration with this so far. It works great. It's awesome. I like it. It's free. Everything's free. All this is free. Blender. Oh, I wanted to use Blender. Let's put that on. My frustration with this is that I don't see the advantage. So we did test this Dirt Rally benchmark right here. And in Linux, in this environment, I did the benchmark and it was 93 frames per second. So then I went back to Windows 11 and it was 94 frames per second. So where was the advantage? We don't know. It's the same. I mean, it's zippy. I'll give you that. But other than that, I don't see it. Okay, I think I found the problem with my recording, and I was blaming it on Linux, and it wasn't Linux. It was the encoder for the screen recording was hardware, which is a GTX 645. I guess it's not up to the task because I changed it to software and I think it's better. So, where did we leave off? No, I forgot. Oh, Darktable. So that's the photo editor. We have, what else? The games are the same. There's other stuff on here. The Office thing. So basically everything works. That was my point. I don't know how I got off on a tangent there. But I can't find the I'm trying to find the reason. I want that one reason where you could say you have to run Linux for this reason, and I can't find it. So you could say, well, it's free, which is great, but Windows is free, as far as I know. Security, maybe. It's fun, I guess, to be able to do customization, and it's open source, right? So you can do mods and stuff. But I just can't find a reason. So, oh, VLC's here. That's cool. It's already installed. That's good. It's just one of those things you have to love. You have to like it. 22-year-old me would have loved this. Actually, 22-year-old me used to run Unix software. But for the average person, for a grandma and grandpa, it's really hard to make an argument that they should be using this because it's so weird. And unless you do all the setup for them and all the mods and everything, and you hand them a computer and say, here, this is your computer and everything works fine, I don't see it. It's, and I posted also that I did use Chromebook for a year and a half and it was fine. I just used the apps, so I didn't need more software. But yeah, it's pretty fast though. But other than that, I don't see the. Give me a reason, like Lady Gaga would say. Give me one reason to stay. That's all I can say. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.